Now in this video I'm going to see if what I've got here, the engine, is any good. I'm going to do a compression test on it and we'll see what needs to be done. On a side note, I am going to remove these and that toilet seat and get a new bonnet for it or her, and in future, as a future project, I'm going to remove these SUs and get a Holly with the appropriate manifold. The battery box or tray, I will put the battery in the boot under advice that I've received from one of the comments. So yeah, let's get this tested. I'm also going to tidy up the wiring. It is random to say the least, with comedy connectors everywhere, so that's another project. Just run the I don't know whether you can see that, the cables properly. Too long. Oh. Now there are the plugs out the right bank, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and as you see they are really sooted up, running rich, making it very difficult to start. Let's pull the other ones out. There's 1, 3, 5, 7. You see they are carboned up but dry to a certain extent. It's just, I think it's just running rich, so I'll clean them up before I put them back in. Cold engine, 130. 7 is 130. So this bank is fine. Let's try the right bank. That's 4. And that's 130. So it's looking like this. He speaks too soon. Looks like it's the engine. It's got good compression. It's got good oil pressure. 130. So they're all looking very good. Get them plugs cleaned up. Well, if you've stuck around and you're still here, thank you very much. As you can see, the issues are a very rich mixture. The engine looks, it sounds fine. There's no valve train noise or cam chain. It all looks fine. So it's just a matter of changing that inlet manifold, which will be done in a future video. So if you like this one, give us a like, thumbs up, comment about what you can see, and if anybody's got an inlet manifold and carb they could I could buy off them, that'd be great. And if you could subscribe. Tatty bye from it is sunny North Wales.